fire actor. I've never done anything like this before, so I'm excited to learn about the tricks of the trade and meet lots of new people.
My second workshop. I've done a full course of 7 weeks with Dassis, dice players. I love learning the different techniques and the movement that we did. I've never done that before, so that was really new and exciting. Acting is my place.
I'm Vince and I'm up from Maynooth here with Dice Players at Palmerstown, and really enjoying the day. Very interesting tutors and very great information. Everybody is very collaborative and a lot of different very interesting stories. Highly recommend.